Hey guys, welcome to this week's Beauty Break with Bentley. We are going to be, for this week, we're going to be testing out this PR package that I showed you last week, I think. It is the Born Pretty Nude Jelly Gel Polish. And I showed it to you inside, but you really can't see anything. So I am going to put a picture right up here of the colors that we're going to be, well, the colors that are in here, since they're all in a white bottle and they don't even have names. And we're going to be using the 01 in that picture, which is the lightest color. And I think I'm also, and this is all they sent me was polish. So I will be listing all the other stuff that I use, and they have that stuff on their site. That not the same exact stuff that I'm listing because I didn't get it from them. But anyways, they have a bunch of stuff on their site, but we're only testing the Nude Jelly Polish set for them. I'm also going to add, I think, these little stickers on a couple of my fingernails. And these are from Wet n Wild, and I know they were a limited edition. They were right there by that SpongeBob stuff. But I thought they were super cute, and I will show them to you over there where I can be closer because we're going to be down on my hands. Anyways, I just wanted to do this little intro. Let's get to it. Okay, guys, so these are the nails that I'm going to be using. They are the Kiss Square, and then the short length full cover nails. And I put these numbers because that's what numbers are on the nails. So I have already set them up, as you can see. This is what we're going to do. This is the color 01 in the jelly nails, jelly nail polish. But I also thought I would add, I think I told you I was going to use these little stickers, and I'm going to use these two little tiny dragonflies. I think I'm going to put them on this nail. Anyways, let's get started. I've already done this thumbnail, and so I left this one. This is the only one I haven't buffed out yet because I usually take and I grab one of these, or I have these little ones too that I use sometimes because I have a whole bunch of these. But I was using this, so I'm going to use it on this one. And I just, basically, I'm just going to buff off the shiny part because it makes it a little more opaque for me. And I prefer it that way. You don't have to take the shine off. I just think it makes the polish stay better. And I have them in the order that they go on my fingers. So then I take a brush and brush off the dust. And then this is, I did 2 coats of the jelly nail and 1 coat of clear top coat. So I'm going to do the first 2 coats of this. This is what color it looks like in the thing. It just looks like light pink. But then when you go to put it on, it is like almost clear. And I try to put a thinner layer on first, just because I don't want bubbles and stuff, which sometimes I get. I don't think you're going to be able to see them with this though. And then I wait till I get 3 of them done before I actually put them in the light, because I want the light to go full cycle. Okay, so there's 3 of them are done. So I'm going to push them all into the light. And I have my light set at 90 seconds. These just have the slightest amount of color. This is the lightest one though, so. Okay, that's 2 coats. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put these little stickers on. So these are from Wet n Wild. I think I told you that already. And I got them at Walmart, and I doubt I'll be able to find anything for them. But they have all kinds of stickers, you know, and Amazon and any drugstore usually has some stickers. These ones I just thought were really cute. They had one other set, but I obviously didn't think they were cute because I didn't get them. I guess I'm just going to peel it off and stick it on there. So, let's see. We're going to put it on so that I can see it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's going to be... Can you guys see it? It's going to be so cute. So now I just have to press it down. Super cute. Where is it? But it's still not pushed down all the way. There. Now it's pushed down all the way. And it's too close, huh? It's so cute. I love it. So now this goes back over here. And we start doing our clear coats. And I'm using the Beetles No Wipe Top Coat. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do the top coat. And I'm going to do this in fast forward. And this is the other ones I got. I'm going to put the white thing back on it just so you can see them better. But they're just stars and constellations and suns, and they're just pretty. I'm not really sure. I guess you just cut these up and put them across it if you want, because they look kind of like bracelet-y, but I don't know how you'd put that on your fingernail. So if you've ever seen that, send me a picture, okay? Okay, so I'm going to cut out here, and then I will be back once these have set and I've got these off, and we'll be putting them on. And then I just roll my thumb back and forth, or my finger, whatever I'm holding it down with, so that it gets out any air bubbles and gets a nice tight grip on the whole thing. So this is what we got. Aren't they beautiful? Let me hold a bottle. That always makes them show up better. But see my little dragonfly? It's so pretty. I love it. I guess I should get up here in the... So pretty. Okay, guys. This is the end of this video. I wanted you guys to get a good, nice close-up of my... Let me see. If I hold a bottle, it's always better. It's a really pale pink. It is pink, though. And see my little dragonfly? I think he's so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I enjoy these nails, and they're so simple and so much better than going to a salon and getting them done, just because you don't have to have an appointment. You don't have to, you can do it whenever. You can do it at night while you watch TV. I never do. I always do it in here because I have all my junk in here, and I need all my junk. There's not enough room in front of me, but you can do it in there. Especially if you buy the ones, if you're not painting them and stuff, and you're just buying like the little kiss nails. I love those, but I'm ready for some summer nails, and my drugstores and Walmart all seem to carry the same kiss nails, so I'm limited to just a few colors. And so I like these. I like them a lot. Anyways, these are the these are the Born Pretty. That's the name of it, Born Pretty. And I will link everything I used below. But this gel, this is a gel nail polish, and it's a nude jelly set. That's what this one is. And I will put a link below, and they said you save 20% if you use that link to order. So I think it's great. I think they're beautiful. We're going to do other colors later because I can only do one, of course, you know. And I'm not taking this off for at least 2 weeks. And if I can find my little stickers that you can't see very well because they're too shiny, I will link them. These are from Wet n Wild. If I can't find them and link them, just look in your Walmart. That's where I got them, at Walmart. And it was a cardboard, it wasn't an end cap. It was like its own thing, and it had that SpongeBob stuff on one side, and then the other side was the Wet n Wild, this stuff. And there was a bunch of stuff, but there was only like 3 different kinds of this, and it was just one little place. So look for them in your Walmart. And it was a little while back, too. Well, it was when the SpongeBob stuff came out, and that stuff was gone. That's why I looked at this stuff, and it was like, ooh, I like these. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Stay cool.